This thing is currently a piece of poo. Mainly because I broke it already. Haven't even owned it for a week and I already broke it. So as I mentioned in one of the other videos, we were going to be upgrading the turbo in the Mark 6. However, I did not expect to be doing it so soon because unfortunately I have, and at least we're pretty sure that I have popped the turbo already. So we are going to be throwing in the 2872 by Darkside Developments today. This is a pretty hefty turbo and that bad boy is sitting right here with a nice little cold side all painted up and everything. So this is a billet compressor turbo, variable vanes as well, so it is variable geometry, but this is one hefty boy right here. So we're gonna be replacing the 2260 that we have in here right now. It is under boosting by about 12 pounds. I've gone over all the boost piping and everything and it does not seem to be a leak. Intercooler is fine. I resealed the map sensor for our custom intercooler piping and that doesn't seem to be the issue. But I did take a quick look at the impeller and it does look like they are all damaged. So, and I'll put the photo here, but they've been off so many times we don't even need to remove them.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. So we're gonna start, we'll do this as like a little bit of a tutorial because I know there are a lot of people out here that do these upgrades now. So we're gonna start by removing the cowling and everything, but there is already a Malone Stage 4 kit in here. So this looks like this with the manifold and the turbo. This is a 1756. That was gonna go into my other Jetta if you are a subscriber of the channel. So we've got this manifold all on here already, so I won't be showing how to install that, but it's pretty straightforward as it's just an exhaust manifold. But we are gonna be pulling the turbo out, hopefully through the top. So we're gonna start getting everything kind of taken apart here, starting with the cowl, and then we'll be going from there. So get that bad boy ripped off real quick. And then I just kind of like squish it together, like I don't really care.
Yeah. So you got an electric track or
I love how this bolt wasn't even tight. Yeah, so a lot of these are just like EGT and that kind of thing. It can all just be unplugged from this, which I can.
no go on the side cutter.
Oh really? Fair one. I might have skipped all of it.
Yeah.
But we've got the cowl piece that covers like the ECU and shit off on over yonder. I've undone the intake on this side. We have a custom intake. If you've seen in my other videos, it is TIG welded and mounted up all nice. So we're just taking the intake off of the turbo now. So that is using the ye old, oh yeah, it was a 7, we're good. The ye old extendy boy over here. I think it's a 7 mil. And there we go. So our intake pipe is off. Yours is gonna look different if you're stock, but that's ours. Real nice TIG welded stainless. All right, so operator Drewski over here is down getting the discharge pipes right off the turbo. So there's there's the charge pipe off, and now Drew's out here undoing the bolts for the actual turbo.
I hate H6s, man. They're
yeah,
like
right?
such a small bolt that like you just never feel comfortable putting a lot of torque to them.
Oh dude, look at all the oil coming out of the turbo. Nice. Big tasty.
Oh yeah, nice.
Excellent.
It's a hell of a lot easier than Mercedes turbos.
Oh, 100% buddy.
not an E-bolt in sight.
Nope. Torx bits though. Yeah. Or triple squares.
Oh yeah, you know what? Arguably worse.
A triple square or
yeah.
a torque or E-Torx?
Triple square.
Oh,
actually, not arguably worse, but definitely worse. Triple squares are just shallow and their fucking sockets are really long.
Mm-hmm. Now I'm gonna put in the more you know animation with the star and the rainbow.
Nice. Some real early 2000s stuff. Still too much.
I don't even have to fucking get my hands dirty at this point. Drew's out here
happy to, man.
Killing the game.
Turbo, there's actually 3 bolts for this thing. There's 1 on the driver's side and then there's 2 on the passenger side. And the outermost bolt on the passenger side you can get with some extensions and just an H6 socket. But this inboard bolt, looks like an Allen key is gonna be the best way to get in there, just cause, you know, not gonna be able to get onto the bolt very straight with a socket. Pro tips.
Yeah, pro tips with Drew. Oh yeah, really get in there. Really get in there, hey?
Yeah, get right the fuck in there.
So now we're doing the old V band on the downpipe here. So mine's a little bit mangled, so don't judge. Not Sunday's finest, if you know what I mean. That hit the ground, we are good. And we're just gonna ditch that, and we're live. And now we're gonna get that last bolt that Drew was talking about, which is right yonder.
Bonus points for wearing sweatpants.
Dude, right? You a little moist?
Huh? Nice.
Excellent.
There we
That's
go.
what we love to see.
And get this wobbly end of the Allen key on her. Oh, it is. It's just still kind of tight.
That's what she said. Wait, no, that's what he said.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Are you ready, kids? Ta-da!
Beauty.
Number 3, out. Okay, so now we just have to let off the line on the bottom, and then we're ready to pull this bad boy out. And it's been like maybe 25 minutes. So the oil drain line, which is that big thing center frame right there, which is no longer connected, that I'm gonna try to zoom in before I run out of recording space, is disconnected off of the block. Kind of see it a little bit right there, just kind of dangling. So everything is disconnected from the vehicle as far as the turbo goes. So we're gonna drop her back down here and get her out of the car. So mint. All right, let's see, one can pull and she's out. Good luck.
Good luck with that one there, guy.
It's gonna be a bit
We might even have to move this line out of the way because I think she's gonna be pretty tight.
The drain line?
Yeah, or
Okay.
the feed line.
Oh yeah.
Because we kind of have more access over here than we do over here. So maybe we should just start by doing that. Let's try to just...
Oh, beauty, buddy. Oh, look at him. Professional.
Nice.
So here it lies. This is the 2260 that was in the car before. It's a little bit oily, but I don't know if you can tell with the lighting and everything, but...
Make like a Ford in focus.
Yeah, come on, make like a Ford in focus. Anyways, you can kind of see the gaps in the fins in the back there. Look at the gap in this one back here. Wowee! Yeah, and she's definitely been eating at the inside. Oh yeah, look at those bearings. Barely spin. And then you come over to the big boy. Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely a little bit of a size upgrade, a little bit of extra sauce. So this is the 2260. So it was on its way out, but here we are. We had the upgrade on standby. So we're gonna throw this bad boy in, make some big boy numbers, even though we're already making some pretty big boy numbers. So we'll, I just gotta put some fittings on here and then we'll slap her in.
Aw.
Am I warming you up?
A little closer. A little closer. Oh yeah, nice. Nice. I guess we probably should have brought our tools over here, eh?
Maybe.
Hector 5. Yeah, you can, okay, yeah. We both only have one hand. Oh my god, teamwork? Nuttable.
So the turbo is all plumbed up, everything, all our goodies are on, everything's mint. We've already done all of our VCDS stuff for getting the turbo in with the tune. So we're just gonna come over here and there we go, the turbo's installed. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new here, and that will do it for today's install. Peace out. I will see you in the next video. Okay, let's, we're gonna huck this guy in. We're gonna obviously start by doing the drain line because we're kind of working in reverse here. So we're just gonna kind of like drop this boy in, so.
I was just gonna offer to bring you some gloves.
Okay, it's all good. So how did you do this? Actually, you know, that looks like a good resting place. I'm gonna get some gloves on.
Yeah, for sure. It's pretty greasy down there. And, oh yeah, there was a way, okay, so this came, like I had to rotate it so this came up because something was in the way. Oh yeah, you had to kind of like hook this guy down and underneath.
Oh, fucking beauty.
Sheesh.
Jesus. Oh yeah. Okay, let's jack this thing up and get that shit.
Love life now until you go. Fuck it. Alright, we're gonna need this guy. Oh, Kazakhstan is the greatest country in the world. Little bonk.
You bonk.
Yo, how do you zoom on this thing?
It's manual, so it's like on the lens.
Oh, okay, not gonna be touching that.
Fair enough.
Oh, I figured out zoom.
Oh, very good.
Nice. We got a pro tuner in his natural habitat. Oh wait, the wrench drawer? What? Get back on your laptop. Where's your laptop? Oh, and he's back at it again. Can he get that bastard bitch bolt? Surgeon grade gloves. Excellent, he says. That means good things, right, Tyler?
Yeah.
Nice, dude, nice. Look at that sexy man inside of his Volkswagen. Inside. Feet not even on, slides not even contacting the pavement.
Don't tell Usha.
Oh shit! What is that? Tyler? You're not driving on these things, are you?
Maybe.
Oh man.
You feel more connected to your machine.
Yeah, the top of your slides is gonna feel more connected to the bottom side of your pedal. Oh, you want some wrench turning tips there, laptop boy?
Yes, Papa.
It was, okay, tip number 1, finagle. The big finagles. Oh, you know he's trying.
Yeah, when the eyes close and the forehead vein comes out.
Shout out to our homeboys, Milwaukee, for this dope hood light.
Yo, sponsor me.
Sponsor! Milwaukee. Oh, so good though, like, it doesn't get better than working under a hood light.
Dude, literally though, hood lights are like one of the best investments any like backyard mechanic can make.
Yeah, you know what? I'm such an idiot. I just spent like $3,500 on the Snap-on truck for my student discount and didn't
even get a fucking hood
didn't
light.
get a hood light. Not stonks. Not stonks. All right, what we doing now, Tyler?
We're getting the mechanic's hand wash going here.
Oh yeah, for sure. Brake clean to the pores. You gotta clean that dirt out of your skin pores. Sometimes I just soak my hands in gasoline.
Dude, my dad does that.
Oh, did you think I was joking?
No.
I learned it from my dad, dude. Shout out to dads everywhere. Shout out to fucking grease monkey papas. These wheels are so sexy, man. Oh, yes.
You have that bolt.
Oh, yes, that bolt. I think I know the bolt you're talking about. Can you find it, YouTube? Oh, no, it's not that one. Where's the bolt, YouTube? Oh, is it that one? No, it's not that one. I'm sorry, Tyler, I'm actually looking for it. Oh, YouTube, it's this one. It was right there, guys. Jeez, idiots. No offense, Tyler subscribers. And remember, Tyler, no bolts into the turbo.
Bolts into the turbo? Ow, fuck, that hurt.
Yeah, that's what, instant karma.
Turbo heard me and he was like, no, not like the last one.
Get back to me when I have to rip ass and I'll show you an EGR leak.
Jesus Christ.
I'll show you some exhaust gas.
Oh.
For the record there, guys, that's what he's doing. That guy right there.
What now? What'd you say, Bobby? God damn it. Does it look like I know what a JPEG is? It's a worn out H5, so what does that make it? A 5.5? Dude, you know what?
Oh yeah, that's 5.5 we found, dude. In the Imperial sockets drawer.
Okay, I might.
How stripped is it?
It's pretty fucked.
Really, hey? Rut-row raggy. The face of Ponder.
Or at least a V-band bolt?
Where are you going? What the tie you doing?
Do I just really fuck up this entire build and turn this V-band into a fucking triple square?
Ah, no, Tyler, no, don't do it, no! No! This is the last time I work on your car. Choosing to put a triple square.
Thread, though, like,
Look at how many issues we had with a single square drive. Oh, that wasn't a square drive. What am I talking about? Damn, dude. Those fucking sideburns.
oh,
Oh.
this turbo isn't clocked the same. That's gonna be a fucking issue.
Yeah. There's what, gonna be a V-band in between the two housings?
Clock the cartridge, so you just like undo these bolts and then you should be able to just like rotate it. Oh, well, there's another reason that this turbo's... Oh, 100%, there we go. We found out why the turbo's messed up. Look what it's missing.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. That's gonna cause some boost leakage. Yeah, she just popped right out. Yeah. Look at that, you can see into the housing, into that crack there. Well, you know, Tyler, considering the amount of hand-tight bolts we found in the disassembly of this whole job, can't say I'm all that surprised. But yeah, you can see like right in there. Yeah, that's a big problem. So, what's going on, Tyler?
we've got everything kind of hooked up now. We're just rewiring all the bullshit here.
That's good. Yeah, it probably doesn't help that I unhooked it, hey?
No, you know.
Yeah, I just made sure to unhook it and spread it out as far as I possibly could, knowing damn well that I'd make sure that I'm behind the camera while you hook it back up.
Yeah, everything on these cars is like pretty self-explanatory when it comes to like wiring and that kind of thing, thankfully, which is good. But sometimes shit is a little bit of a gong show.
But turbo is in.
Yes.
Ready to do some noises and some spoolies. Oh, there was quite a few plugs that just weren't plugged in at all.
Yeah, these were on the firewall though, so these were for sure hooked up.
For sure?
For sure.
For fucking sure, bud. Yeah, how are the emissions on this thing?
Yes.
I won't ask any further questions.
No, you have to do like in the dictator where he's like, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Do you have nuclear weapons?
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Are you developing nuclear weapons?
No, I literally can't hear you.
So you're telling me the hydrocarbons from your fuel tank are being vented to fucking atmosphere?
I can't hear you. You're gonna have to speak up.
California! Is that California violation or Californication?
Yes, I am the Red Hot Chili Peppers, as you can tell by the color of my car.
Okay, time to go now, bye. Definitely the most fascinating part of the whole job.
Is what, hiding all the loose wires?
Yeah, just fucking around with all the wiring and everything at the cowling there. That's what I'm trying to get is as much footage of it as possible.
Yep. You know what? That'll do, little Annie.
Nice! Look at that.
Man, it's factory, I swear.
Where's the factory?
Yes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the inaugural startup of the soon-to-be new shitbox. How many faults?
Oh, that'll do her. We'll be right back.